The snow falls heavier here.
Predatory plants of the deep. "900 meters. The dark is complete.
The blobfish. Without pressure, it melts. Here, it is king. Something huge is moving. 1,000 meters. Goodbye, sun. Welcome to the Midnight Zone.
1,000 meters. The Midnight Zone. Sunlight has ceased to exist.
The most famous trap in the ocean. A light in the dark is not hope. It is a mouth.
The viperfish. Its teeth are so long, they form a cage when it closes its mouth.
The gulper eel. A stomach with a mouth attached. The only food source here is the waste falling from above. Invisibility is the best armor.
Vampirotothis infernalis. The vampire squid from hell.
2,000 meters. The pressure is now 200 times that of the surface. Drifters in the void. The pressure would crush a submarine like a soda can. The giant squid. The legend is real. Armed with serrated suckers to battle whales. Life here survives in bursts of panic.